They're bringing immigrants in because Europeans are dying at record numbers. There are more black people in London and in the UK than white people. In 2009, I found that out. Italy is going to be, they said Italy is going to be an amusement park by 2075. There will be no more time. Japan is dying out. They're dying out. China is in big trouble. So don't let all this stuff we see about China, all the rest of that. That's why they're in Africa now, because they know. Their own, I call it the Robert De Niro effect. The only hope that Eurasians have to exist in the future is to plant their seeds in pigmented people. And eventually, the world is going black. That's science. Little wishful thinking, but that's science. That's not personal. And so what I'm trying to present to us is the science that's going to allow us to understand what is happening.